Hello, friends. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will tackle a common issue many of you have faced: Windows Update errors on Windows 10 and 11. If you've been struggling with error codes like ZX and can't update your system, don't worry. We've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, let's clear the software distribution folder. This folder often contains leftover files from previous updates that can cause issues. Click on the Windows search icon and type File Explorer. Open File Explorer and select this PC on the left. Navigate to the C drive and open the Windows folder. Find and double-click on the software distribution folder. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them using Shift+Delete. This will remove unnecessary files. Once you've successfully deleted everything, close the window. Next, we'll run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to detect any underlying issues. Go back to the Windows search icon and open Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run next to it. This may take a minute or two. After it's done, be sure to restart your computer. Now, let's use the System File Checker to fix any corrupted files. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This process may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, restart your computer. Finally, let's make sure the Windows Update services are running properly. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and hit OK. Scroll down to find Windows Update and double-click it. Ensure the service is running and set to automatic. If it's not running, click Start. Also, check the background intelligent transfer service and set it to automatic if necessary. Now that everything is set, let's try updating Windows one last time. Go back to the search menu and type Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates. You should be able to install any pending updates. And there you have it. You should now be able to fix those pesky Windows Update errors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.